Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we will conduct a formal contract review meeting consisting of 5 members. So, my name is Hanis binti Hashim. I will be the team leader. So, other members, please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Mustaffa. I will be the first reviewer for this team.
My name is Nurizyan binti Saufi and I am the second review member from review team.
My name is Nik Zuhayrah Amalin binti Zahari. I am the last reviewer.
Hello, my name is Nurul binti Shamshul Bharin. I am the developer from Avengers team.
Thank you for your introduction. For today's meeting, Nurul Hanis will be the representative of Group The Avengers. So, with all due respect, please start the presentation.
Thank you, Nurul Hanis, the team leader. Present to you our team contracts, which is to develop a profile system. I, as the developer, needs to complete the system within the timeline, which is on 18 January 2021. Next, we will move to the payment section. The client shall pay the developer RM30,000 per month for the service hardware and software costs. Once the client agree with the contract, they need to pay a developer RM2,000. And when the developer completes the system, client needs to pay the balance amounts RM25,800 Malaysia to the developer. Next, the confidentiality. Our team, developer team, promise client to keep their confidential information for ourselves. And if there are third party, we will ask permission with clients first to share their confidential information to the third party. Next, we will move to timeline. The total average time for this project is less than 3 months. For the first phase, it will take 1 to 3 weeks, which is discovery phase. And it focuses on designing product. Next, we will focus on development phase, which the developer need to write the code, technical architect for the designing framework, and designers to help with user interface and user experience. And the last phase is the process to custom software development, which usually take 2 weeks. The last part is the changes. The client may ask the developer to make changes based on the specification and tasks related to the usage of, and it will parties agreement. If the developer choose not to accept the changes, the client will have the right. Okay, that's from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Anis, for the short presentation. For the reviewers, do you have any comment regarding the contract?
May I start first,
Yes, sure.
Miss? Okay. Thank you, Miss Anis, for your super presentation just now. I would like to ask a question regarding the item number 5, which is the confidentiality, is it the confidential information that clients give will be kept by the developer after the developer complete the system? Thank you.
Thank you, Afiq, for your question. When the contract ends, the developer must give back and destroy all the confidential information of the client.
Okay. Thank you. Because this is the main concern about the issues where the uh, confidentiality is the top, the three main things in the inside the information security. So I want to know whether the information of the clients are being kept or not. So thank you.
Welcome.
Alright, thank you for your excellent answers. For other reviewers, is there any comment that you want to give?
I have a question. Miss Anis, just now you said that the developer will do the changes if the client wants to do so. Does the client need to pay extra for the changes?
Thank you for your question. In case the client demands for alter and changes of the system, the developer will utilize and implement the requested change, and no extra cost will be charged to the client.
Sorry to interrupt, Miss Anis, but will this changes affect the timeline for the developer to complete the system?
The timeline of the project will not be affected by the changes that made by the client.
Wow, very interesting. Thank you. Thank you for answering my question.
Thank you, Anis, for your excellent answer. And for Afiq too, I believe that timeline is very important while conducting a project. Okay, for other reviewers, is there any comment about the contract?
Sorry, I have another question. What initiative will be taken if the system have error or not meet the requirement during testing process with client and final user?
Thank you for your question. Our initiative that we take if the system having error or does not meet client's requirement, the developer should pay client 3,000 ringgit for the errors, and clients do not have to pay extra money for the error of the system.
Yes, I agree with Anis' answer because I believe that client doesn't want any extra money to be given after the system has received. Lastly, we need to decide about the contract, whether we should proceed the contract or not. So please state your opinion, review team.
We from the review team with one voice agree to give full approval to this contract.
Yes.
Alright, well, clear and short answer. So, since there's no changes and corrections need to be done, we can proceed the contract document. As a team leader, I would like to conclude today's meeting. We all give full approval for this contract. So thank you for your time. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you, Miss Anis.